Ladies and gentlemen, coin collectors, history enthusiasts, and treasure hunters, welcome to today's exciting video. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of rare coins, and we're focusing on one of the most talked about pieces in numismatic history, the 1965 USA 1-cent coin, often referred to as the Mitmark penny. This coin has sparked debates, fueled dreams, and become a symbol of rarity and value in the coin collecting community. But what makes this humble 1-cent piece so special? Why is it considered so valuable? And just how much could it be worth today? Stick around, because we're about to uncover the incredible story behind this legendary coin. To understand the significance of the 1965 1-cent coin, we need to travel back in time to the mid-1960s. The United States was undergoing a major change in its coinage system. Prior to 1965, U.S. coins were primarily made of 95% copper and 5% zinc. However, due to a nationwide coin shortage and the rising cost of metals, the U.S. Mint decided to switch to a new composition. Starting in 1965, the penny was made of a copper-plated zinc core, which was cheaper to produce. This change marked the end of an era for the traditional copper penny. But here's where the story gets interesting. Rumors began to circulate that a small number of 1965 pennies were accidentally struck using the old 95% copper planchets, the metal discs used to mint coins. These rare coins, often referred to as transitional errors, are believed to have been produced in very limited quantities. Among these, the so-called Mitmark penny has gained legendary status. The name Mitmark is not officially recognized by the U.S. Mint, but it has become a popular term among collectors to describe these rare and valuable coins. The value of the 1965 Mitmark penny lies in its rarity and historical significance. If the rumors are true, and a small number of these coins were indeed struck using the old copper planchets, they would be among the last of their kind. This makes them incredibly sought after by collectors. The idea of owning a piece of history, a coin that represents the end of an era, is what drives the fascination and value of this penny. But rarity isn't the only factor. The condition of the coin plays a huge role in determining its value. A 1965 Mitmark penny in pristine, uncirculated condition could fetch a staggering price. Collectors are willing to pay top dollar for coins that have been well preserved, with sharp details and minimal wear. The allure of owning a near-perfect specimen of such a rare coin is irresistible to many. Now, let's talk numbers. While the exact value of a 1965 Mitmark penny can vary depending on its condition and authenticity, some estimates suggest that these coins could be worth anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 or more. Yes, you heard that right, a penny that could be worth tens of thousands of dollars. In some cases, particularly for coins that have been professionally graded and certified as authentic, the value could even exceed these estimates. Imagine finding one of these coins in your pocket change or tucked away in an old coin collection. It's like discovering a hidden treasure. The potential for such a life-changing find is what keeps collectors and treasure hunters on the lookout for the elusive 1965 Mitmark penny. Part of what makes the 1965 Mitmark penny so captivating is the mystery surrounding it. The U.S. Mint has never officially confirmed the existence of these coins, which only adds to their allure. Are they real? Were they truly struck by mistake? These questions have fueled countless debates among numismatists and collectors. The uncertainty, combined with the potential for an incredible payoff, makes the hunt for a 1965 Mitmark penny all the more thrilling. If you're wondering how to identify a 1965 Mitmark penny, there are a few key things to look for. First, check the weight of the coin. A traditional copper penny weighs approximately 3.11 grams, while the newer copper-plated zinc pennies weigh about 2.5 grams. If your 1965 penny feels heavier, it could be a sign that it's made of the older copper composition. Next, examine the coin's color and luster. Copper pennies have a distinct reddish-brown hue, whereas the newer pennies tend to have a more muted, zinc-like appearance. Finally, consider having the coin professionally graded by a reputable coin authentication service. This will not only confirm its authenticity but also provide an official assessment of its condition, which is crucial for determining its value. Beyond the monetary value, owning a 1965 Mitmark penny carries a deep emotional significance. For many collectors, it's not just about the money, it's about the thrill of the hunt, the joy of discovery, and the pride of owning a piece of history. Holding a rare coin like this in your hands connects you to the past in a tangible way. It's a reminder of the craftsmanship, artistry, and history that go into every coin. If you're not already searching for the 1965 Mitmark penny, now is the time to start. You never know where one of these rare coins might be hiding. It could be in an old jar of coins, a forgotten collection, or even in your everyday pocket change. The possibility of finding a coin worth thousands of dollars is too exciting to ignore. And even if you don't find a 1965 Mitmark penny, the search itself can be incredibly rewarding. Coin collecting is a hobby that combines history, art, and the thrill of discovery. It's a journey that can lead you to unexpected treasures and fascinating stories. So, what's the maximum value of a 1965 Mitmark penny? While it's difficult to pinpoint an exact figure, some experts believe that a high-grade authenticated specimen could sell for upwards of $50,000 or more at auction. The combination of rarity, historical significance, and collector demand makes this coin a true gem in the world of numismatics. Imagine the possibilities if you were to find one of these coins. It could be a life-changing discovery, a windfall that could pay off debts, fund a dream vacation, or even secure your financial future. The potential is limitless, and that's what makes the 1965 Mitmark penny so incredibly valuable. In conclusion, the 1965 USA 1-cent Mitmark penny is more than just a coin. It's a piece of history, a symbol of rarity, and a potential treasure waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, the hunt for this legendary penny is an adventure worth pursuing. So, what are you waiting for? Start checking your coin collections, ask your friends and family if they have any old coins lying around, and keep your eyes peeled for that elusive 1965 Mitmark penny. Who knows? You might just be the next person to uncover a rare and valuable treasure. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content about rare coins, hidden treasures, and the fascinating world of numismatics. Until next time, happy hunting!